Hello everyone and welcome to the video where we're going to be discussing the RJ45 series of connector from GTC. Now, as you can see in front of me, I have a number of components, these being the panel mount connectors and the cable end connectors. So just to give you a bit of background on the connectors themselves, they are available in metal or plastic material. The metal is IP68 rated and the plastic is IP67 rated, making them a really robust connector. They are available as pre-wired or field installable. You can have screw or bayonet coupling in the plastic and the metal options. All GTC panel mount connectors are rear-potted with epoxy glue, meaning that the application that the panel mount connector is attached to still retains its IP rating and remains waterproof. They are all C3 in size. They do have a panel cutout of 20.75 millimeters. Now, moving on to the actual panel mount connectors, you can see in front of me, you can see the plastic and the metal options here are pre-wired. With this particular panel mount connector, it is designed to fit onto a PCB board. You can have straight or 90-degree dip pins on the rear of the panel mount connector if you wish. It's all down to your requirements. The majority of the RJ45 series are Cat 5e, however some are Cat 6. The connectors do have a max current of 1.5 amps. Now, with the cable end connector, the length of the cable, you have a number of different choices. The cable lengths actually range from 0.1 meters to 10 meters, and you can have the cable as blunt cut or with a plug or socket of your choice on the end. Again, that's all down to your requirements. Now, because the RJ45 series is so broad, they are really good connectors for applications such as industrial panels, automation and robust computing. So if you are in the market for an RJ45 connector, you can visit our website at www.liveelectronicsgroup.com, where more information can be found, and you can contact our sales team for further information. I really appreciate you watching this video today. Thank you.